uyaqala manje uyayimosha lento le. That's self-sabotage. Bangithi mina umhlaba ngeke uzu-own wena ungakazi own. Isibala ekutheni ukuthi noma into usuyiphethe izohamba. If you ungakalungi wena ngaphakathi. If you haven't healed that inner child engaphakathi kwakho. Ngoba ukhule wena ungenalutho, ukhule ungenayiphatho, ukhule ungenayicathulo, ukhule usolo, ukhule behleka esikolweni. Ukhule vele out of place, you're in your own corner. Noma into usunayo, you feel out of place. I don't deserve this amount of money. I don't deserve to dress like this. I mean, I feel out of place. I feel like I feel like as much as in Abasha, eventually they'll see the true me, which I'm not deserving. So I self-sabotage. But sabotage, nyabakhelisa, nyabasusa. Angiboni ukuthi mina vele ngubani. Angiboni ukuthi mina ngi-imposter.
Yes, amen. Amen.
Abantu baqesa ngoba bafuna ukubona ubunjalo babo ngaphakathi. They are too scared to share who they truly are to you. The inner child is still there. That's who they are. And they need to heal from it. They need to grow from it. They need to realize that there are no longer those people who are powerless. They need to regain back their strength and their power. But we don't know what they're going through. All they know is being poor, all they know is having less. So the moment they have more, they default to what can I do to start having less? It's because abafuni in their road of self-sabotage. This person knows what and I'm full of why? Because he is if I know to call or a new position, you feel out of place. Everything is new to you. It's because no musukala ubanabanga no musukala ubanabanga accept time. It also feels out of place. It also feels new to you. So what do? You default back to the old you, to your comfort zone. What is your comfort zone? And in that dark place, in that dark corner, and you go back there. I want to disturb so you cannot own the world or house anyway. In 2 years' time, my business footwear.
Amen. Amen.
His own.
Amen.
He read his own.
Amen.
Whatever comes, so emotional way. I am your moon. His own.
Amen.
Kill that inner child. Face that inner child.
Amen.
That's all, Sanyas.